Welcome back to Crypto for Freedom. All right. Did we miss the bull run or the most gains yet to happen? Oh, you guys, we've been going sideways for 4 years. All right. So let me ask you a question. Did you buy high and sell low? I hope not. I really hope not. All right. Because if you did, you guys, that's how you lose money in these markets. All right. That's how you lose money. You don't want to be losing money, you guys. You want to make money. You want to buy low and sell high. Okay. That's kind of like, seems like common sense, but a lot of people do the opposite of that. A lot of people will buy high and sell low. So just keep in mind, you guys, that we've been actually going sideways for 4 years. So if you're, trying to get quick gains in this market, then you might end up losing money because you don't have a long-term horizon. Okay. Crypto investing takes a long-term horizon. A lot of people want to gamble in these markets, and that's when you get wrecked. So I've had very limited experience with longing and shorting on leverage. And when I did, I didn't use proper risk management and I lost my ass. But I've had a lot of experience just buying and holding spot positions. And that's where I'm winning. So I want to talk about having a long-term horizon and buying and hodling on spot positions. I'm not against trading. Like, yeah, you can make money doing that if you know what you're doing, but a lot of time you're going to lose money. So yeah, let's dive a little bit deeper into Doge here. Looks like we're forming a little bit of a range here where we could come back to under the bottom, come back up, break out, back test, and then go from there. It really all depends on what Bitcoin wants to do. So if Bitcoin continues to have a little bit of a slump right now and doesn't follow the global liquidity up, then we could see Doge either have a little bit more losses like I was talking about in my last video, or just kind of trade sideways in this range. I'm not buying any more positions because my bag's already packed. But like I'm saying, you guys, when in doubt, zoom out, okay? We don't need to be looking on the 4 hour. We don't need to be looking on the hourly chart. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you guys are traders, like, yeah, I get it. But I've lost money being, trying to long and short, and maybe someday I could get better at it. But for right now, I'm just going to advocate for buying spot positions and holding. And yeah, you really want to begin with the end in mind. Decide whether you're going to be a day trader, a swing trader, where you're going to buy and sell in the short term, like in a matter of days or weeks or months, or if you're going to be a long-term hodler. If you don't begin with the end in mind, that's how a lot of times people get wrecked in these markets. And end up buying high up here at 48 cents and selling low at 15 cents. You really don't want to do that. Okay. That's 66% down. You really don't want to do that. I'm telling you, unless you plan on holding long term. Never invest with money you can't afford to lose. If you got rent to pay, you ain't using that money to long Dogecoin. You know what I'm saying? Or even buy spot positions. So never invest with money you can't afford to lose. There's ways to win in these markets and there's ways to lose. So you guys need to study the ways to win, practice them, implement those strategies. So we want to talk about winning strategies here, like having a long-term horizon. Is there money to be made in the short term? There could be. There could be some money to be made in the short term here and there. Anytime you're making money, there's somebody on the other side of that trade losing money. So you guys have to be aware of that and be able to read the market. Same is true vice versa. If you're losing money, somebody's making money. I've made a good amount of money in this bull run. Who lost the money? Let me make that money. So was it you? Did you buy high and sell low? I hope not. I hope not, guys. So as I continue to make these videos, I'm going to continue to learn. I'm going to continue to grow. I'm going to continue to grow with my audience, help each other, learn and grow. We can do this, you guys. We can become successful. We can become financially free and self-sovereign by holding our own crypto keys for long-term wealth. So I'm going to be talking about Doge a lot just because there's a huge audience and I'm invested in it. This is a total market cap from intothecryptoverse.com. And when this blue line is above the red line for all cryptos, crypto goes through an expansion phase where it's overvalued for a number of time and then becomes undervalued for a number of times. So I put these red lines on the chart signifying the overvaluation and the undervaluation. So this period right here was overvalued. This period was undervalued, and then so on and so forth. Overvalued, undervalued, overvalued, undervalued. So I was really looking at where did we go into that overvalued area? I don't think we've actually gone into it yet this cycle, because we tried to get into it right here, and then we tried to get in again right there and got rejected. And time's starting to run out, you guys. Like, if Bitcoin doesn't reverse and actually go up and start making higher highs, get to a blow off top, like that could be all she wrote for Bitcoin and Doge and the rest of the crypto market till next cycle. So you have to understand your risk when you're getting involved in these cycles and these crypto markets. Understanding the market, you're going to be able to put your buys in the right area and put your sells in the right area. So yeah, I'm still a little new making these crypto videos, so bear with me as I kind of get my chops down. Thank you guys so much for my new subscribers. And if you want to support the channel with a tip, you can send Bitcoin directly to my QR code on the screen there with my Bitcoin address for my wallet to send a tip, help support the channel, help me make these videos. And I don't know, this was kind of like a rant video. It wasn't really so much technical analysis. I mean, if you guys want to see my recent TA, you can go back to my last video and watch that one. I'll link it at the end of the page, and you can see my thoughts on the market. So thank you guys so much for being here, and we'll catch you on the next video, y'all.